Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset any Android phone. The process is really easy, let's get started. So to factory reset any Android phone, first of all, you'll have to go to your settings. Then on the settings, you'll see a search icon, go ahead and tap on it. On the search bar, simply type factory reset. After you finish typing it, you'll see this option factory data reset under general management. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're on this page, tap on where it says factory data reset. Just so you know, once you set up your app for factory data reset, you'll lose all your files and apps. Everything in your phone will be reset and your phone will look as if it is brand new. So yeah, if you're still willing to continue, tap on factory data reset. And you can go through all this text and information. Scroll down. And at the bottom of the page, you can see the reset option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on reset, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your password and proceed. After that, your phone will be set up for factory reset. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.